How to create an account on KineMaster. If you want, sign up your account on KineMaster, then follow these instructions in this video. First, make sure that you have downloaded KineMaster on your phone. If not, if you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open KineMaster. Now you will see this home page. You can also edit your stuff without logging into your account, but it is more safer to log into your account so you don't lose any data. After you see this home page, simply click on this human icon named as me on the bottom right corner. And here you can see three different options to sign up from. You can sign up with your email or your Google ID or with your Apple ID. Here I am choosing my Google ID. Now it will reload you to this page. Here simply click your Google account, and after that click on this continue option. Here type in a username that you want. After that click on complete option. So following the simple and easy step, you have now successfully created an account in KineMaster. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.